Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to design the perfect onboarding process. Whether you're an HR professional, a manager, or an entrepreneur looking to create a seamless welcome for new employees, we'll explore a time-saving and effective approach, creating an employee onboarding course. So, let's get started. Workspace Setup explains the significance of having a well-prepared workspace for new employees, covering everything from equipment to personal touches. Offer tips on ensuring that the workspace is not only functional but also reflects the company culture and values. Introduction to the team. Discuss the importance of helping new employees get to know their colleagues. Introduce new team members in the office and respective teams, their roles, and their contributions in a meaningful way. Warm welcome. Prepare a personalized welcome note or a small gift for their desk. Consider arranging a welcome breakfast or lunch where team members can gather, chat, and get to know the new hire in a relaxed setting. Welcome package. Think beyond the traditional paperwork. Surprise your new employee with a thoughtful welcome package. This could include company-branded items, a personalized note from the team, and perhaps a small gift that aligns with their interests. This gesture not only makes them feel valued but also gives them a tangible connection to the company culture. Virtual workplace tour. Virtual workplace tours can be particularly beneficial for remote or hybrid teams. Ensure all necessary software, apps, and systems are installed and functioning properly on their system. Providing clear instructions on how to access and use these tools will save time and prevent any frustration on their first day. Mission and vision. Introducing these fundamental aspects during the onboarding process not only imparts a sense of direction but also connects new employees to the bigger picture they'll be contributing to. Delve into the power of sharing your company's purpose and aspirations. Company policies. Navigate through the crucial landscape of company policies. Explore the ways in which understanding company policies promotes clarity, consistency, and a shared understanding of expectations. Acquainting new employees with these guidelines during the onboarding journey lays the foundation for a harmonious work environment. Orientation and training. Embark on a journey of knowledge and growth as we delve into the essential components of orientation and training. Discover how a well-structured onboarding program equips new employees with the skills, insights, and tools they need to navigate their roles successfully. Assigning mentors. Assigning mentors acts as guiding lights for new employees, fostering a supportive environment for learning, growth, and seamless assimilation into the company culture. Measuring success. Introduce key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of your onboarding process. Discuss the iterative nature of onboarding and how to use feedback to continually improve the experience. Remember that a well-executed onboarding process can be a game-changer for your organization. By investing time and effort into helping your new hires feel welcome, informed, and empowered, you're setting the stage for their long-term success within your company. We offer a specialized template for employee onboarding courses, allowing you to create a course that saves you time, guarantees uniformity, and delivers a thorough learning journey for your new employees. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.